you introduce yourself?
My name is Erikos.
Okay, so you're a jeweler, and what is your inspiration? Because there's a lot of, is a collection just related to the sea world? That's a new one, or it's all the time the type of creativity in your design, or what is based on?
Based in the sea, from the
The
sea.
sea.
Yes.
And which material do you use?
I use silver and gold.
Right. And you, where you based?
In Greece.
In Greece. And since how long you are a jewelry designer?
About 22 years.
And your distribution network in France, where is it?
What?
Your distribution, your network of distribution in Paris, in France?
Here I am, me.
Yeah, but do you have any particular shop that we can
Yes, I
find
have.
your head?
Yes, I have many shops in France, but now I can't say. I don't remember all the
All the
address.
names. So we can find you on internet as well.
Yes.
Right. And I just make a little suggestion on your design.
You can find also us in other countries, not only in France, in Germany, in Italy, in Spain,
Australia?
Australia. No.
Not yet. There's a really, huge Greek community in Australia. Thank you very much.